Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing you BunnyBand review. So, you might be wondering, what is BunnyBand here? So, BunnyBand here is an online microtask and surveys earning platform. Now, according to its official website here, users can earn money by completing tasks, taking surveys, and inviting friends. And the platform says it works worldwide and allows users to withdraw their earnings once they reach the stated minimum threshold here. So, how to exactly use BunnyBand? So, according to them, you just need to first create your account. So, you can either create your account by clicking on the Get Started button here, or clicking on the login at the top right, clicking on Create Account. But if you click on Get Started here, you just need to fill out the necessary information like your first name, your last name, your email address, and a password. Now, after registering here, BunnyBand says new users receive an instant $10 bonus here, or welcome bonus. Now, once inside the platform, you can look through the available surveys and tasks, and the website says users can earn rewards for completing these activities. Now, also for or with the displayed figures showing around like $2 or around $5 per task or per referral here. So per task is $2 and referrals are $5. That's according to them as you can see right now. Now, also another way to earn through the platform itself is through its referral system or project here or program. A BunnyBand provides a referral system where you can invite other people to join, with the website currently advertising like $5 reward per referral here. Now, for withdrawals here, the website states that the minimum withdrawal threshold is around $100, as you can see right now. So it claims that once your balance reaches that amount, you are eligible. Withdrawals are processed instantly. They do mention that in their FAQ section. Now, BunnyBand also says the $10 welcome bonus is included in the withdrawal balance here. And the website currently displays a lot of information here, like monthly active users, how many people they paid out, and the payments sent every day here. So these figures are statistics presented by BunnyBand itself. So as you can see, there are different pop-ups that you can see in here. So yeah. So in simpler terms, BunnyBand here is presented as a platform where you can register, complete surveys, and other tasks here, invite referrals, build your balance, and request a withdrawal after reaching $100 threshold. Now also, they do present like a link for an app here, like for Google Play or Apple Store here, but currently it's still coming soon, so you can't use the app yet in Google Play or Apple Store or the App Store here. But if you're interested with this product here or this platform here, before putting significant time into it or personal information into the earning platform, doing your own research into its payment process, eligibility requirements, privacy policies, and withdrawal conditions is actually recommended. Now, the earning amounts and payment claims mentioned here are based solely on what BunnyBand's official website states here. So you may want to read reviews outside their website just to make sure that you're getting most out of your time here. But at the end of the day, it's up to you if you want to try using it. But that's about it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.